Yo, what's up guys? What you are witnessing right now is me driving my S13 SR20 DET. Straight piped, of course, you already know. All I have to say to you guys is just listen to the turbo flutter. I just got the new S15 turbo put in and it sounds awesome. Also, towards the end of the video, I do a small skid, so stick around for that. God damn, dude, turn off your headlight. But it's going pretty fast. I don't want to disrespect the man. So at this point, my car starts breaking up. I have no clue what it is, so I'm just gonna try to limp it back home, play it safe. Pretty sure the spark plug gap isn't big enough, and they have a lot of carbon buildup on them because I've been running pretty rich. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Alright, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. If you can't tell, my car's breaking up.
just installed this new T28 from an S15. It's a good turbo, but having issues now. The couplers are blowing off.